Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have filmed this get ready with me. To be honest guys, it's the same products as I use in my videos. All the information is going to be in the description bar down below. I didn't know how I was gonna start this video. I didn't know if I was gonna do an intro or not do an intro, but since this is my first official video of 2018, I just thought, come on Fraha, it's only right to make an intro. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave all your comments in the description bar down below because I read them and I respond to them, and I did say that whoever leaves a comment I will respond in the first 2 hours of my videos going live. So and also guys, make sure you press the notification button so every time I upload a video you will be notified. Let's get into the video. This is actually my first video of 2018. Guys, can you believe it? It's 2018. I feel like last year literally went by so fast. New year, new goals, new me. If you guys can comment down and tell me your New Year's resolutions, because every single year I make New Year's resolutions, but some of them actually I stick to them, then some of them are quite hard to achieve. So I think what I've decided to do this year is just a few things. If you saw my last video, I think you would know a little bit about it, but just instead of having new why am I forgetting what I'm talking about? Instead of having New Year's resolutions, I need to make it a lifestyle, and not like you don't really have to wait for a new year to make new goals. Just do it as you go along, because otherwise if you're gonna wait for a new year you may fail. Or decided I'm just going to go with the flow, and if I need to make a new goal today, tomorrow, in December, it doesn't matter, just do it, but just make sure you stick to it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm getting ready to go to my sister's baby shower today, and because the baby's a boy we had to wear blue. I've got my blue top on. I got this top from Zara, spring summer collection, and it's such a girly top, and I normally don't wear like girly things, but this is probably the girliest top that I have. So I have just done just my usual everyday makeup. You know when you do your makeup the same every single day, every year, it's just gets to a point where it's the same. I feel like I'm getting over this whole dewy matte makeup looks. I want to find a nice dewy foundation look that I want to stick to. I feel like I'm over this whole matte look. The only problem is with dewy is I don't know if it would suit me. Been like wearing my makeup so matte for so many years. I don't know if it suit me. Look, I'm definitely gonna try it. I feel like my makeup has got to that stage where I want it to look different, because every day it literally just looks the same, and I don't even know why. Like when I start doing my makeup I'm like, okay, let me switch it up a little bit. I'm like, nah, let's just stick to what I'm used to. But I definitely want to try a dewy makeup look and see. I'm filming this video, it's Saturday. I haven't got a video for this Saturday. By the time you watch this video I would have skipped the video last week. So reason being, I was actually off on Friday and I was planning to film something, and do you know what? Yeah, it's so annoying because I'm currently sitting in front of the window, so the lighting is today, it's good. Last week I woke up and I was ready to film, and do you know what? Last week Friday, the whole day it was so great, but it was very dark, so couldn't film anything. And when I use my ring light, sometimes I feel like it makes me look a bit yellow, and if I'm gonna use my ring light I use it to like support me. Let's say if there's like a bit of light but not too much, then I'd go ahead and switch it on. But last Friday there was nothing that light could do for me anyways. I feel like I need more lights. Problem is, I don't want to invest in more lights if I feel like the weather's gonna change now anyways. But if you definitely want to film in winter, this is what I'm looking for. I feel like if I want to film in winter, you have to wake up super early, because then the light you have probably between 10 till about 1, so you really haven't got very long, because once it hits 2, the light goes downhill, which is very annoying. Today let me use my Fenty Beauty for my highlight today. Where is Rum? Let's use Fenty for Rum. If anybody's wondering, products will be down below. I bought actually the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, but I feel like I should have got the next shade up. It highlights, but it's not pop. But you know what, the next one I think just looked grey on me. But this is good if I just want just a normal, you know, just toned down than this. I feel like my makeup is always toned down anyways. It's not a lot, but well, to me, you know, it's not a lot. But very nice concealer. And do you know actually what I noticed about it? Does not, you know, like how I do this concealer and I put it here, I find it really hard to blend after. I find I have to work extra hard to blend it, where with this concealer, the NARS concealer, if it goes all the way to like my hairline, I can actually blend it and it doesn't give me this line here, which is very good. So I think I am gonna go and buy the next shade up, because I did not want that highlighted line in 2018. So I'm gonna do something about it. Put some foundation on my neck. Yeah, so today light is much better. But that being said, actually today it's 2:30 and there's still light. That's good. It's very good. Also, I'm going to start filming. I know someone wanted to see what videos like what I ate in a day. I'm gonna start filming those. Thing is, with those kind of videos, like I really have to plan ahead. I can't just wake up and, you know, show you what I ate in a day. I've got to go out, I've got to buy what I eat and stuff like that, shopping, and then I'll probably film that for you guys next time. I'll probably I may upload that video what I ate in a day. And I'm also thinking of, I definitely want to share more content on my video. Of course I do a lot of like makeup and get ready with me, but I do like a lot more other things, so I want to start sharing those with you guys. Person who does this, like I do my makeup and then I set it, and before I blend everything, like I put everything on and then I blend everything last. If I'm running late, oh my god guys, let me tell you something. I'm running late. Literally one time I was running late and I got to work. When I looked at myself in a mirror, I could not believe how I left my house. Because not only I did not blend anything, like I put on my makeup. Obviously I thought that I had blended it. Jesus. When I got to work and I looked at myself in the mirror, I thought, oh my god. Like you see this line here, it was worse than what it looks like now. I had just tucked it on and I left the house. It looked awful. Now I feel like if I'm in the rush, actually if I'm in the rush, I'll go for this, because I've used it before and I'm in the rush. With this one you don't have to blend as much because it goes smoothly, you know, because it's a creamy concealer, where this one is matte, so it's, you know, it blends smoothly, and I feel like when you're blending it, it just blends easier. All my beauty spots are pretty much on the right hand side. I have this one here, I have one there, and then I have one on my right toe, big toe. But this one here, I put it there because I have this thing here. I just turned it into a beauty spot. I know how to do another one here. The one I do here is real, by the way, is because I cover it. Do you guys see that highlighter? Or you can't see it? It's good. Let's add more because I really just want it to be a lot today. There we go. I'm not gonna add any more on my nose because I feel like I did put just a bit too much on my nose. I'm trying to blend this. Can you see it? Jesus, look at this. Alright, I need to blend this out. I want to get my eyebrows microbladed, but I'm scared. Does it hurt? Has anybody have any of you guys had it done before? Let me know. I mean, there's a lot of Instagram stuff like that. I want them done only because, reason being, from like here, from here to here, my eyebrows are literally like full, and then from like here to here they just fade out, which is so annoying. If it was full all the way, I would even just maybe dye them. It's so annoying. I remember when I went to this lady, I used to get my eyebrows threaded all the time, and these things are so annoying, so annoying. Let me just cut it off. They just annoy me. I remember going to this lady to get my eyebrows threaded, and she completely messed up my eyebrow. This one, because this one I was trying to grow out my eyebrows, this one was kind of thick. My eyebrows used to be very, very thin, and I wanted to grow them back to be thick. So I went to this lady, and it was the first time I'd gone to her, and I said, look, I'm trying to grow out my eyebrows. Can you just thread them for me? Just shape them. I just want to keep the shape, so when they grow in this shape. She was like, yeah, sure, lie down. It was alright. So I went back the second time to do my eyebrows. When I tell you that this literally stayed the shape that it is, this one, it was so thin. And when she finished, I said to her, what have you done to my eyebrows? They don't look the same. And literally she looked at me and she went, they look the same to me. I never went back to her, because I thought, if you've done a job and you haven't done it right, at least admit to it. But when it's clearly visible, I was so mad. I was so mad. And everybody knows eyebrows, if they're not the right shape, you could just look like a crazy person. So I didn't go back to her, and actually since then I've been doing my own eyebrows. Like, I pluck them and I just pre-shape them myself. Don't go to anybody to reshape them for me, because I've just had such a bad experience. So I just thought, that's it, I gave up. Yeah, I left that alone. Pretty done. I feel like actually I did my makeup quite quickly. Oh my god, like under 30 minutes. So that's quite quick. I don't know, for my lip though, I'm not sure. Oh, alright, let me just wear my NARS. What is it called? Morocco. Alright, French Montana, let's put you on. That where he's from, Morocco. Let's put this on. Nice and creamy. Let's take this hair up. I washed my hair yesterday and I put it back in this morning. Just need to gel my hair down. This comb is life, right? This comb, when you just need to get in there and scratch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to gel my edges down, and then I should get going. Literally, I woke up this morning and I was like, let me just clean my room. And every time I do a video, my room is literally a tip. Taking my camera with me, but I don't know if I'm going to film my... Actually, I am going to film my sister's baby shower, but maybe just for us, her memories. She'll definitely never let me upload it on YouTube. She would not let me do that. She would kill me if I uploaded it on YouTube. Guys, for some of you that grew up in Africa, you know, like hair, baby hair is like... Okay, everybody has baby hair. Most people have baby hair. But if you guys know what I'm talking about and you grew up in Africa, do you guys have people like... When I went to my grandma's house, she was like, what's that on your forehead? Come here. She'll be like, get me a razor. She'll shave off all your baby hair. And I just didn't understand. Like, I still don't understand why they do it. but I guess, and they do it when you're going to school. And when I was younger, living in Africa, I used to have short hair because they just shaved it all off when I was younger, until I grew up a little bit, and then they started I started getting my hair braided and stuff like that. But this baby hair used to be all gone. It never used to be here. Anyways, let me put this on. Guys, I've had this thing for years. It used to be my scarf that I wear on my neck, and then I found out that it's really good for laying my edges, and since I found out, I've just been using it for laying my edges. But do you know, I'm trying to find the same material because it lays them down so good. But anyways, let me get dressed. So guys, this is it. Makeup is done, lippy is on, hair is out. But what I'm going to do is get scissors because this front is too long. I did cut some layers in it, but look where it's curls from down here. So I'm gonna get some scissors and put some, and just cut some of this hair just to frame my face a bit more better because I feel like it's too long. But yeah, that's it. I'm done. I'm ready to go. As you can see, the light has changed. Looks like it's going to pour down. Let me show you my top quickly. I'm not gonna change my camera angle. Reason being, if I do touch it, everything changes. Background changes, lighting may change depending on what angle I put the camera on. It will take too long. Next thing you know, there's no more daylight. So let's get a move on. So the top I'm wearing, I've already said it's from Zara. It was their spring summer collection. I like it. Very, very girly. It just comes out like this. Yeah, and that's it guys. I just want to say thank you, and thank you so much for watching my video. See you in next week's video. All right, bye guys. Mwah.